What is the one word for well informed about or knowing thoroughly? The correct answer is conversant. What is the one word for flatter in an obsequious manner? The correct answer is adulate. What is the one word for cause to accept or become hardened to? The correct answer is inure. What is the one word for something causing misery or death? The correct answer is bane. What is the one word for place in a grave or tomb? The correct answer is inter. What is the one word for eager enjoyment or approval? The correct answer is ebullience. What is the one word for purging the body to stimulate evacuation of the bowels? The correct answer is catharsis. What is the one word for projecting part of a rampart or other fortification? The correct answer is bastion. What is the one word for try to stir up? The correct answer is foment. What is the one word for mixed feelings or emotions? The correct answer is ambivalence. What is the one word for the study of the physical properties of sound? The correct answer is acoustics. What is the one word for something indicating the approach of something or someone? The correct answer is harbinger. What is the one word for a feeling of ill will arousing active hostility? The correct answer is animosity. What is the one word for relating to or inhabiting a divine heaven? The correct answer is celestial. What is the one word for an inscription in memory of a buried person? The correct answer is epitaph. What is the one word for lessen or to try to lessen the seriousness or extent of? The correct answer is mitigate. What is the one word for shortened by condensing or rewriting? The correct answer is abridged. What is the one word for relating to the study of the physical properties of sound? The correct answer is acoustic. What is the one word for a fine coating of oxide on the surface of a metal? The correct answer is patina. What is the one word for the quality of extreme wickedness? The correct answer is enormity.